Dual booting Linux and Windows can interfere with the time settings on both operating systems, but it is usually on Windows. So if you're having the same problem, here are the 3 ways to fix this. Now you have to make Linux use the local time for the hardware clock. Do that by opening command prompt with admin rights. Type in the following command, then reboot your system manually. Next up, configure Windows to auto-sync time from the internet. To do so, right-click on Date and Time on the taskbar, choose Date and Time, click the Set the Correct Time Zone if it was incorrect, then turn on Set Time automatically by clicking on the slider, and finalize your settings by clicking on Sync Now. Now you should see the time change to your local time. You also have to make Windows use the UTC time for the hardware clock, and you can do that by opening regedit, go to this location, right-click on an empty space, click on New, add a new keyword, and giving it a name as real-time is universal. But if you're on a 32-bit Windows version, you need to add a dword value entry instead. Now after the entry has been added, double-click on it and set the value to 1, and then reboot your system. So those are the 3 ways on how you can fix dual booting Linux messed up with Windows time in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.